In 2026, are you struggling to write blog posts consistently? Do you spend hours creating content but still get little traffic? Or maybe you want to start blogging but do not know where to begin? Then this video might completely change the way you create content online. Today, we are reviewing some of the best AI writing tools for blogging and content creation that are helping beginners, marketers, YouTubers, and affiliate marketers create high-quality content faster than ever before. These AI tools can help you write blog posts in minutes, replicate SEO-friendly articles, generate content ideas instantly, save time and boost productivity, create ebooks, courses, scripts, and marketing content. Grow your online business faster, and the best part, most of these tools are beginner-friendly and require zero technical skills. Let us explore the top AI tools everyone is talking about right now. MagicBook AI, one of the most powerful AI tools for creating ebooks, digital products, and professional written content. Perfect for bloggers, affiliate marketers, and content creators who want to create high-quality materials quickly. ColorBooks AI, an amazing AI-powered platform that helps create beautiful coloring books and creative digital products automatically. Great for passive income creators and online sellers. Book Ninja, if you want to create books, guides, or digital products without spending weeks writing, Book Ninja can save massive amounts of time using AI automation. BookFlow AI VIP. This tool is becoming very popular among creators because it helps automate book creation workflows and content generation with minimal effort. CourseReelAI Max, perfect for turning written content into engaging video courses and presentations. Great for YouTube creators and online educators. NanoBanana AI, a unique AI content tool designed to help marketers and creators generate creative content ideas, social posts, and promotional materials quickly. MultiverseAI, an advanced AI solution for generating professional quality content and digital assets faster than traditional methods. CookBook Vault, excellent for people creating recipe blogs, food content, and digital cookbooks. AI-powered automation makes content creation easier than ever. Virtual Academy, a fantastic platform for learning AI-powered business and content strategies. Great for beginners entering the AI world. App Professor. This tool helps simplify AI learning and content generation for creators who want faster results online. Freedom Blueprint, designed for digital entrepreneurs who want to scale online income using AI tools and automation strategies. Now here is something important. AI tools are not replacing creators. They are helping smart creators work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. The people getting the most traffic in 2026 are the ones using AI to publish more content, share and rank faster on Google, share and create videos quicker, save hundreds of hours. And if you are serious about blogging, affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, or online business, these tools can give you a huge advantage. But remember, the real key is consistency. AI helps you create faster, but you bring the creativity and strategy. If you want honest reviews, AI tool tutorials, blogging tips, and the best digital product recommendations, make sure to like this video, comment your favorite AI tool below, subscribe for more AI content visits. Visit our website for full reviews and bonuses. Website, budget-friendly offer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next AI tools review video.